drop that off for an oil change. Now let's go pick up the Hellcat. It should be arriving any minute now. Ooh, look at that 458. Beautiful. Where is my wife? Where is my wife? There she is. Let's go. Oh, by the way, there's a regular Hellcat right there. They're asking $95,000 for. Look at that. 95 grand. Are you crazy? Supra. It's my daughter wants Fast and Furious. They want 63. That's a little crazy. That's a lot crazy. But maybe I'll make an offer on that thing soon. It's got to sell the Scat Pack first. So in just a few minutes, my new 2022 Hellcat Charger is going to show up on the transport from St. Louis, Missouri that I've been waiting for now since November, so probably around 5 months. It's been 9 months since I sold my Hellcat Red Eye and bought my Scat Pack, and it has been a semi-unpalatable 9 months without a Hellcat. So now it is showing up, and here it is.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood.
So the Hellcat has arrived in the enclosed transport, and I cannot wait to see it. Something tells me it's going to look just like my Scat Pack, but it's a Hellcat. There's a Bentley in there. Whew. Wow, there's a Challenger in there? Let's see what they got. They got a Challenger in here. Going to Irvine. What did somebody buy? Oh, there's a Mustang. I don't see a oh yeah, there's a red Challenger up there. Hellcat. Look at the red Hellcat up there peeking out. Oh, looks like a brand new one also. I don't know if you can see it, but there she is. Woo! Hellcats are coming to California, folks. That pink thing is going away. Oh, they armor all the tires. Thank you, Napletons. This thing is clean. There's nothing like a brand new car, huh?
Changing cars, huh?
Yeah, just adding one more loud monster. I know, right? I know, huh? It'll be louder in a couple weeks. So the wait wasn't bad. For those of you that keep asking the same question, which is how long did it take? The order went in around November of 2021 and arrived about the beginning of March. So it's just taken that long for me to get all the paperwork done, the deal consummated, and the car delivered. So really, it's that 4 months or so. Yeah, you see the Hellcat up there? The red one? Yeah. You see the Mustang in there?
Yeah.
I didn't. It's a Mustang. Nobody cares about Mustangs.
Whenever we see these when we're driving to St. Louis, we're always like, wonder what's in that?
Yeah.
When you see the enclosed. That Bentley is really cool.
That red Hellcat. I wonder where that's going.
Did that come from them too?
I don't know. He picks them up from all over the place.
Is it a red eye?
I can't tell from
I
here.
didn't know they had red right now. I thought they only had that orange red.
No, these are ordered. These are generally these are ordered cars. I mean, it's probably an ordered car.
Yeah, but still, would that be a custom color?
No.
You only can get it in what you can get it in.
No. When you order a car, you order it in whatever color you want.
That they have available.
No. When you order a car, when I ordered that blue one, they built it from scratch and then delivered it. So you order it, they build it, they paint it. I ordered that thing before it was ever a concept in anyone's mind. Think of our daughter before we met. That's where that car was prior to November. You don't believe? You think you think I ordered a car that was already built? They had to build that car.
I know that, but I'm saying you had to pick from their color selection.
Yeah, and That red's definitely one of their colors.
I didn't know that.
Oh, okay.
I thought it was only the mango.
No, they have red. Remember, I remember.
Red.
I wanted red. You guys said no.
Well, because we thought it was mango madness or whatever.
Go mango. Go man. Here she comes, everybody.
That'd be a terrifying job.
And look how clean it is. Like, I can't believe it stayed that clean.
Why? It's in a covered thing.
No, I know. I just figured dust and stuff still got in there.
I would not want that job. I can't really park back my car to a parking spot.
Well, if it falls, it's going to be one hell of a video, huh?
Well, hopefully the guy's okay. I'm worried about your car.
It'll be fine. A couple airbags go off, save him, cushion him.
Oh, God.
Like a little baby. Oh my
I
God.
don't want that job ever.
Oh, that's crazy. That's intense. It's just hanging off there. Oh, look at that Hellcat emblem. Oh my. What do you think, everybody?
How's he doing that?
He's got a remote.
Hard.
He's got a remote control.
Oh, good God.
He's just gonna drive it off. Oh, that would be sad. Because it would be another 5 months to get another one.
But what a video. How come you didn't black out the windows?
Because the last tint guy did not do that great of a job, so I'm gonna have our guy do it.
Okay.
So the windows will get done next week. We'll do the rear diffuser for sure. We'll just start ordering stuff every week and bringing you all some fun content as we make this thing my own. Lux Auto Concepts, taillight covering, the taillight tint, the marker light tint. Look at this Hellcat. Of course, this pink thing is gone as soon as I possibly can. No, it's pretty much the same. Want to do some donuts?
Yeah, but not right now. So yours had the little vents right there?
Yeah. Yes, the wide body all has the vents in the back. All right, so now we're going to sign some papers. Check out that wing. Is that new, everybody? Because on my Scat Pack, it's black and it's kind of notched. So that's new.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that looks intense. Oh, that's a red eye up there. Look at that.
Yeah, that's a red eye.
Oh, where's she going? What happy
Irvine, California.
to a dealer or?
No, private owner. He owns that and that Mustang GT.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
He's gonna pull that Mustang around behind the Hellcat probably. That's what I'd do. So let's take a look at the interior. This thing is gorgeous and it was sold to OC Motivator. Look at that. Look at this interior. Now I figured out it's called sepia, and the definition of sepia was stupid, which is why I haven't learned the color name. So look at this. Sepia, it says sepia is a reddish brown color named after the rich brown pigment derived from the ink sac of the common cuttlefish. I'm just gonna call it brown. Should we just call it brown?
Right?
No, should we just call it brown?
Are you kidding?
Not gonna. No, I swear that's what sepia means. So hopefully we've got all the keys. Looks like we do. We've got to dig up that red key. We'll do that in a second. Interior looks amazing. Oh, folks, I wish you could smell this right now. It smells amazing. Look at that. So we'll look at it a little bit more in a second, but let's go ahead and sign some papers or an iPad.
Scribble, my friend.
You got it. All right.
Same car. It's not a Hellcat.
It's the same color, everything.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Yeah, people are probably like seeing double.
I kept thinking I should get a different color.
Yep.
I just can't let this. Look at that. Look at that blue. Look at how beautiful that metallic is. It's just crazy.
Okay, my friend.
All right. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. All right. Drive safe.
Adjust your mirrors, but not adjust me going back out.
All right, you got it. Thanks. All right, so the first drive in my new Hellcat, folks, and we've got to make sure that it is the red key that it sees. And you know how you know? Because it'll say red key in use, I think. Yep, red key in use. We are in business. Look at this thing. Even the floor mats have the brown outline. It's very nice. Got my sunroof. So it only has 18 miles on it. This thing is literally brand new, which is great. Let's take this down so I don't have a glare. There you go. 18 miles. So definitely worth the wait, but I've never felt the acceleration in a regular Hellcat, just the red eye. So we're gonna go hit the road, go around the block real quick, and see what this thing feels like. So first impressions, I feel like I'm in my Scat Pack. from this direction, it feels exactly like my Scat Pack, which is nice because there's no acclimation period. I mean, I feel very comfortable in this. The seats are very comfortable as well. But let's go ahead and give it a little. But that's the difference. You can hear that supercharger whine. I do miss that from my red eye. Let's open these windows a little bit and see if you all can hear this thing go. So it has been 9 months since I've driven a Hellcat, so I'm gonna be a little, oh yeah. And that's the memories I feel coming back to me now. Woo! The tire breaks loose when you jump on the pedal a little bit. That's a Hellcat, folks. All right, let's try to get a little bit of open road here. All right. Listen to that. Oh, wow. Okay, that is a massive difference from my Scat Pack. Not demeaning the Scat Pack, but wow. I forgot how that felt. This thing just boogies. Wow, that smooth delivery of power is unmistakable, Hellcat. I love how this thing feels. Wow. And you know what? It does feel a little bit more civilized than the red eye. The red eye at that point would have already spun around on me, or at least been spinning a lot more, because it was a little bit harder to manage. The red eye took a little bit more time to get used to. This thing seems like it's, while crazy, you're respectful with it. Oh, wow. It gets up and goes. All right, I like this. I really like this. So my reasons for not getting a red eye, one being that I already had one, and I needed to try something different and share that experience with you all, seems to be coming to fruition here with my thought that this might be just a little bit more manageable, still insane, but not as insane. So where the red eye, it felt like all it did was spin. No matter what I did, this thing still definitely, you could tell it's going to spin like crazy, but it's not as. Oh, I love that supercharger whine. Oh, this is great.
With the car, like now, and it's darker, it looks nice. It's different.
Yeah.
But it's not like, I thought it was going to be really light. Like the picture you showed me, it looked almost like that orangey, like your other.
It's called sepia. It's named after the ink.
Isn't it sepia?
The ink sac of the cuttlefish. Exactly.
Isn't it called sepia?
Whatever. I don't even want to know. Here's what it is. It's brown. It's freaking brown.
I think peanut butter was better.
So should I do the? I'm a Hellcat boy. I'm a Hellcat boy. Just trying to.
I'm a Hellcat boy. I'm a Hellcat boy, and I'm just trying to make it. Hey, I go Hellcat SRT. I'm gonna make it till I speed. I be.
Hellcat boy. What?
Do you love it?
Yeah, I love it. I love it. Absolutely. Drives amazing.
Does it?
Oh, it's so fast.
Can you tell the difference?
And it seems a little more civilized than the red eye. So not as terrifying, but still satisfactorily insane.
Is the front end a little bit different? I think it's different than your one right now.
Yeah, the hood's different.
It's cool. I like it. It's more like pinched in and sharper looking.
Yeah, the hood's different.
Yeah, I like that.
And this is different. The logo right here, it's very different. It's got the Hellcat head. So welcome to your new home, my indigo blue 2022 Dodge Charger Hellcat. 717 horsepower, absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited. Pink thing's coming off. Let's walk around real quick. I'll give you one quick look before we even wash it up, tint the windows, start doing everything to it. But this is literally the first few minutes I own the car, and I told you I'd share this with you. So what a gorgeous car. So let's check this thing out.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now.
All right, so that is the new Hellcat. She is here, she has arrived. So those of you that have been asking, when's it coming, why is it taking so long? It is here, lots of more content to come. Like, subscribe, comment, be respectful, stay motivated, and that pink thing is coming off. And no, you can't buy it because I will not take the chance that you'll stick it on your car. These things are horrible looking. And I appreciate all the patience and following the channel this whole time through this. Thanks for coming along for the journey. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.